Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to MS Word Quick Tips and Tricks presented by Academy. And today in this video we are covering the part 5 of this series, that is adding watermarks in MS Word. As we all know about watermarks, they are very useful if you have certain documents which are categorized, like you can say confidential, do not copy, or you can add custom watermarks to your document. So let's start today's video and see how to do that. Well, to add watermarks in your document, simply go to Design tab and go to Watermark option. Click here and now you will see that you have 4 options which are the inbuilt functions, or you can the inbuilt options, like confidential in diagonal, confidential in horizontal, and do not copy option and do not copy option in horizontal way. You can simply select one of these if you don't have any customized requirement, but if you have to custom your watermark, you can simply go to this option, custom watermark. Click here and now you will see you have 2 options, picture watermark and text watermark. You can choose as per your requirement, so I will select as per my requirement text watermarks. Language is English, so this is my customized text. You can change it. Simply I can add my name here, Shashank. You can select the font, size or color of your watermark. Now I change the watermark to this. So you have one more option, that is semi-transparent. If you select the semi-transparent, the visibility of the watermark will decrease. So first of all we will apply without checking this option and then we will change it later on. Click apply and press close. And now you see this is my new watermark. So you can change it. Simply go to watermark, custom watermark, and now choose semi-transparent, apply and close. And now you see the visibility of watermark has been decreased. Now you can again customize it. Go to watermark option, custom watermark. You have other options like layout, diagonal or horizontal. If you select horizontal, click apply, you will see the watermark has been converted into horizontal way. So this way you can add your customized watermarks to your documents. But in case you want to add picture watermarks in your documents, you can simply go to picture watermark, click here and select picture. You can go to online, or if you have pictures saved in your desktop or your PC, you can go to work offline option. Simply I want to use sample pictures. So these are sample pictures available. I want to add one of them, so I will choose the tulips, insert, and now you have the option wash out. This is similar to the semi-transparent option. If you select wash out, the visibility will be decreased. If you uncheck it, it will be more visible. And now you see the watermark has been applied to your document. Now you have one more option, scaling. It means the size of your watermark you want to be selected in your whole document. You want 50%, 100% or 500% as per your requirement. If I select 500%, you will see the size will be decreased, and this can also lead to some of the parts of your image to get out of the document. So the best way is to select auto, or you can wash out if you want to emphasize more on the text rather than the watermark, and click apply. And now you see the visibility has been decreased. But if you want, again uncheck it, apply it and close it. So this is how you can add picture watermarks and text watermarks to your Word documents. So that's all for today's video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos and my channel, and keep watching my videos. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.